Welcome to WolfMart 360. In this short video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to update or change your default user codes. I will be demonstrating how to update your deliver to, that is the building and rooms stored in your profile. You can update your user codes in the user profile to save time during checkout. To update or change your default user codes, users can go to their user profile and update their preferences. The following steps will outline how this can be done. First, log into WolfMart using your NetID and password. This will bring you to the WolfMart shopping page. Click on the person silhouette in the upper right corner of the home page. This is your user profile. Click View My Profile. Click Default User Settings. Then click the link Custom Field and Accounting Code Defaults. Click on the tab User Code Favorites. You will see a list of various default codes that can be edited based on their information. Click Add to input your location. Type a nickname for the default Deliver To field and then put a check next to Default. Then click Select from All Values for the building and room fields. You can search by location in the description box or room number in the values box. Click Update when finished. After updating, you will be brought back to the User Code Favorites tab. Your changes should have been saved and will now appear in the Deliver To section. This completes the video tutorial on how to change or update your default user codes for Deliver To information. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to email procurement@wolfmart_help@stonybrook.edu or call the help desk at 631-632-4573. Thank you for tuning in.